Really, I want to congratulate Ariel and Whirlpool for this wonderful campaign. I've been watching it, and I'm so glad that you're doing this, because it's in everybody's mind that this load sharing, this household chores need to be shared, and equality of between genders. So I think it's very timely and very, very hugely appreciated by all of us. I think, as Soha said, that as parents, we are the models. We tell our children, I suppose by examples, they see what we are doing and they learn, and how we are as father and mother, and how we behave at home, how we share the chores. I think they learn from it. And I don't think consciously we made a difference between we have a son and we have two girls, and we didn't make a difference in their upbringing, and nobody could say that we were partial towards our son. If anything, we were more partial towards our daughters. So yes, I think that is where one learns that this role playing that we do, a man has to do a certain thing and a woman have to do a certain thing. Like when we go to like I sometimes, I do a lot of activism, I work with NGOs, and we go to a household and we are talking about this, that and the other, and the man answers everything. The moment we come, how much does your domestic staff get, or what are the domestic issues, he gets up, he looks at his time and he says, तो फिर मैं जा रहा हूँ, आप ये सब मेरी बीवी से पूछ लीजिए. तो फिर वो बहुत ही क्लियर है कि ये सब women's domain है, और ये बाहर का जो काम वगैरह, money making and all this is the man's domain. मगर आजकल ये सब change हो रहा है. So I think it's very important what you're doing, and the corporates are also helping this thing, and parents also. But we've been doing this right from the beginning. Like, the ads also, you see so many ads saying, once upon a time, you see these VIP suitcases when a daughter gets married, the suitcase is going out, and then when the son gets married, the suitcase is coming in. Then you say, save money for the daughter's wedding, and save money for the son's education. But now we all know, like we are all working women. When I started working, of course, it was frowned upon and it was not such a great thing to work in films. But now all that is changed. And everybody knows, like we've seen Piku, we can see how a girl can look after their father and do it so well. So the things are now changing, and now we are ready. And we want men to come forward, if anything. And I can see, like, when I see Saif, he became a father. I mean, he was wonderful. He was walking up and down, and he was so comfortable with the baby, lying on the floor. They shared and changing nappies and, all that he did. So I don't think today's men are that hung up on their, masculine thing. I think it's passé. I think we have to be now with it and to be a real man, I think you have to be supportive of each other. And to be a real woman, you have to be supportive of your men. And a man has to do the same thing, and only then he would be a real man. So otherwise, I feel, all these men who hide behind their masculinity, but maybe I'm going against the majority, so I better tone it down. And I think it's very therapeutic. When you see that washing machine, like you can imagine how much work it is to wash something with your hand, right? And then this machine is doing this for you. And you look at it and you feel, wow, this is so wonderful. So I actually recommend, and to all the men, when they come back from the office with all their stress and everything, to load the washing machine and to sit back and look at it and feel their stress all being, going away. Really, I recommend it. But for a while, don't answer phones and just watch the washing machine. Get into the act, and they'll call each other up and say, well, I think this is better and that's better. And maybe the Whirlpool, they should restructure their button configuration or something.
Pilot switches or something.
Yeah. Maybe you should have a questionnaire. Maybe you should start a quiz campaign for that. Yes? Well, the message I think I would like to give is that we really appreciate our sons, and we appreciate, of course, our husbands. We wouldn't, it's wonderful because they're definitely pillars of the family, and so are we. But I would say that don't be daunted by housework. Don't feel that, don't be scared of your masculinity. It would survive and it would be fine to help each other, and so has it said, to have a kind of sharing and doing things together. It could actually lead to a lot of happiness and peace and a kind of participative relationship, which is really the relationship that we want. You know, it's not very nice to put your feet up and reading a book or watching telly when your wife is slogging in the kitchen or somewhere else. So I think, and that's the time, that's your quality time anyway. So why not make it a quality time at home with sharing the chores, sharing the load, yeah?